Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a shopping cart experience in Kajabi. Like as of now, you used to have multiple courses and each course on your store page used to link to its individual checkout page. Like if you have a page where you have listed all your courses, it used to go to its individual page. And you really wish that there was a feature where you can add multiple courses within same time, like from the same page, like uh, Amazon shopping cart, like you just select and keep adding it to the cart. And you really wish Kajabi has fulfilled your wish, and this feature is available within Kajabi. And I'm going to show you how to get that cart thing up and ready for your page. Now, what you have to do is once you have logged in into Kajabi, you simply have to go to the sales tab, and within the sales tab, you will see there is an option of cart. So this is where you click and you are going to set up your cart visuals. How does your cart will look like? Now, there is a color option for your button. So you can always choose the color you want. If you already had it in your palette, it's there. If you don't have, then you can get your branding colors and get it added as per the color you want. Then the button label, that's the text color you want to change, then you can change it. And suppose I change it. Though I don't want to change it to any other color, but it's fine. I'll just change the border. So you can change the border to any color that you like, and then make the border radius if you want to give any. That's fine. And if you don't want to give, just make it 0. And if you want to make it like a little bit of rounded, then you give it like this. And then payment provider. So what all payment provider options should be displayed on the card? You can select Kajabi payments if you already have all these options, whichever you have set up and you want to use. You can check this box and make sure these are set up and integrated with Kajabi. Now, customer fields on the cart page, what all fields you want to capture apart from the email address. By default, the cart will capture the email address only. If you want to capture address, phone number, name, you can select those fields. Now, let's just say name and address. And then any service agreement, like due to the nature of the digital products, there are no refunds, or please, before you make a purchase, please read the privacy or refund policies. You can either use a default template that says, I have read and agreed to the terms and condition of this page, or you select custom and copy paste your terms and conditions, or you link it as well. So you can add a link to your terms and condition and refund policies as well. Like, you can see that I actually, or you can say that yes, I read this legal policies here, and then say that policy, and then let's link it. As of now, I'm just linking it to suppose my website. You can list it to your website pages wherever you have. So like you can add multiple and you format them. Once you have done all those things, just scroll up and say save. Okay, it says must be less than 20. Once you have saved it, now the next thing you have to do is see your cart visuals are set up. Now, next thing is you go to the landing page where you have created the or where you want to create a new store or the cart page. So now I have already created. So if you go to the landing page, I already have a cart page. You can create a new, or if you already have and you want to make it a store page or enable the cart option, simply just click on that page or create. It's just loading, and by the time I'll let you know, there are few settings that you just have to do in order to make it work. So you'll go to the header And there's an option of that page, of that landing page. What we did is, I'll show you again in the sections. I clicked on the header and check this box, enable cart. Once you have done that, scroll down, check this option, enable sticky header. You can give your background a color. Then after that, you can scroll down, edit the menu that you want to display if you want to. And then on the desktop layout, make sure this box is unchecked. Generally, it's checked by default, so you don't see headers on the landing page, but then just uncheck it so that you can see. And similarly on the mobile, make sure it is unchecked so that, and close menu and scroll, no, we don't want to close menu and scroll. Yeah, but for mobile, you should do it. Otherwise, it will come at the top and the people won't be able to read it. And then you can change the hamburger color icon and all these things. You want to make it sticky. You want to choose the color for the sticky icon. You can do that. Once you have done that, I will save it. Now let's just preview that page. And by the time you have set up the header, let's just go back. Always remember to create a section where you add the details about the course and a button. And when you create a button, then go to the call to action and scroll down. And there is an action, button to action. Generally, we select go to landing page, go to a checkout page, download a file. But for us, to make sure it does the purpose of adding the products into the cart or the offers into the cart, you make sure that you select add to cart. Once you have selected add to cart, it will ask you to select the offer. So then you can select any of your offer, can be free or paid. So suppose I selected this one. And similarly, I've done it for all my buttons. So you can also do go to the call to action. Make sure button action is add to cart. Select the offer which is attached to that offer. Do it for all the courses that you want to list here. And then just make sure you click save. Then if I come here on this page, as I have reviewed it, I'll just refresh this page again. And as you can see that I have this card coming up over here. I'll first of all clear my cart, otherwise we won't be able to test it. So I'll just delete, and delete. And then I'll just go back to this page and again review it. And now I'll just show you the depth. So now as of now, my card does not show any of the items that I've selected. And suppose someone is coming to your site trying to purchase or adding few courses to your cart. I added one course, it is showing over there. I added another one, then it will show two items in my cart. And then students can go click, continue to check out. And then as we have entered these fields, the name, the address, it will all appear on the side, and the option, payment options. I have read to, I have agreed and read all the terms and conditions. Yes, and the refund policy, the link is there. You can see that, and you can see all the items that I have added. Now this is showing me disabled because obviously I'm logged in as an admin, but your customers will see. So always remember that there are three steps. First, you design your card when you go to the sales tab. Second, you go to landing page and make sure the header has enable card and your header is visible on both desktop and mobile. Third important, when you add a button, make sure the button action is add to cart and you select the offer for that particular course correctly. So I hope this was very helpful and you can set up your own cart in Kajabi Please share with me in comments if you really love this feature, if you want something else, any suggestions, and if you have any questions, definitely ask me. I would love to answer those. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel so that all my videos get notified to you whenever I post them. Thank you.